Thank you for watching my video. I want to share a little stuff that I learned. I don't know if any you guys that listen to my video know I've been having a little problem with my car. So right now I'm in my car and I want to start it. See, nothing is happening. You see the lights. You hear the radio, but nothing is happening. Now a mechanic taught me a trick. What I do is I go here and I put it in neutral, and you see it start right up. So yeah, that's a little trick that I learned, and I've been doing it now for probably, I would say, going over 2 months. So my car is, when it does what it does, that's what I do, and I get it started. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great one, guys. Bye.